Hello everybody, I'm going to do a video of Enemy Race Clicker. I've never played this game before, and I love the animation though, it's cool. And I have a code for anyone out there who needs codes. It's trick or treat, of course. Trick or treat. If I redeem, what do I get? Successfully redeemed? What do I get? Do I not get anything? Oh, thank you very much, game. Oh, now I can just spin a code and... Oh, 3 gems. Oh, great, yay. Okay, now we have to wait. Because we'll be having to click like mad now. Something insane. Come on. Whew. Wait, did I get a pet or something? Oh, no. 3, 2, 1, click! It's not working. No. Oh. Now I'm just clicking like crazy. This game is insane. Wow, that was a long time of clicking. I'm going. Not very fast. You can see. That was terrible. Well, I don't know what to do now, but just sit here and wait. Waiting. Oh, look at that guy. Those guys are speeding. And look at me. I'm probably back here. Oh, yes, there I am. That guy's just... What is he doing? He just banging his head everywhere. Oh, got a win. Shurikens. Auto click. I'm going speedy. Speediness. If I get to the next one, you have to smash the like button, guys. But if I don't, smash the like button. Waiting. Oh, I think I'll get to it. You'll have to subscribe. Oh, I'm so close. I can just reach it and touch it. I reached it. You have to hit the smash. You have to smash the like button because of that. Now 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oof! Die. Just die. Now, is there any stuff I can get? Oh, 20 shurikens. That's a lot. What's here? Oh. Okay. I'm not good at... How do I get up? There we go. Okay, the race is starting, guys. Get ready to click. If I reach 100 speed, smash the like button. Oh. Go! I reached 100 speed. You have to hit this like button. Look at my legs. Those legs are running. Going off on a run now. This is a dangerous spot. Oh wait, it's not dangerous at all. Speedy. Speedy. Oh wow. Who just passed me out? Wow. Like a teleport. What's up here? Oh wow. Wow, that is a cool chat. I want to say hi in it. Boom. Whoa, that's cool. Boom. Yeah. I'm going quick. No. Look at my tiny legs. Look at that tiny legs. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh. No, the route to race. What's the route to race? I really want to hatch one of these, but I can't. Yeah. Any second now. Any second now. Any second now. And click. Let's hear my clicking. Go! I'm running. Oh, just a little glitch there. What's up in chat now? I said hi. Noogie completed the Serato race in 47 seconds. Wow. Just completed the non-natural race in 43 seconds. What? Global. Addy Adeline just hatched the secret hero Yuki. What? Yuki is weird. Yuki. Kind of saying like yucky. That is yucky. Why do people so good? And I'm just trash. See? Guy just passed me out. I'm so sad now. Still like the way I run. It's cool. I'm Sonic Boy. Look at my legs. They're running like heck. Bad. And pow. It takes so long just to get an egg. Oh, what's here? Ooh. 0 to race. Ooh. What is here? You must be in a lobby to teleport. Oh, can I teleport here? No. I'm obviously unsmart. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pow. Now I'd say I could teleport. Right? Yeah. Ooh, cool. This is cool. 4 candy stuff. I have 5. Yes. I can get this. Get 1 candy each time you reach the end of a race. Wow. I have enough. I don't know why, but I'm clicking. And I'm hatching an egg. Oh, I got a ghost. Yeah, got a ghost. I got a ghost. I'm still clicking. Oh, wow. This guy gives me a lot. Oh. Okay, will I just teleport back if I can? There's tourists. Hey! Oh! Wow! Oh my gosh! I'm going so fast now! Whoa! Oh, oh wow, this is incredibly fast. Oh wow. I'm gonna reset my character and get an egg. Because wow. Wow. Oof. And I die. Ow. Oh, okay. Okay, this is hard to control. Open one, please. Ooh, Kakashu. 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 Oh, it barely gives me anything compared to the ghost. I'm going super fast. Look at this. I don't know how I got that 5 candy, but it's good. Help me out, Ton. Wow, this is insanely quick. Oof. My legs are just like, oh, I can't put up with this. I'm going slow now. But somehow it's going very quick. Yeah. Where am I on the leaderboards? Oh, there I am. Going quick. Reach the next part. Hey, I reached the next part. The next line. Soon I'll get to the last line. I just know it. I just know it. Get the feeling. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bow. Oof. Now let me just get a egg. I'd say I could get the 300. Yeah, why not? Why not? Well, I didn't hatch it. What? What? Open it. Open it. Oh, Sasuke. Sasuke. Oh, he's good. Now I gotta click. Barely gives me anything though. There we go. Oh, I'm going quick. And I'll end the video here, guys. So, hope you like this game. And please smash the like button and subscribe. Bye.